How to remove group admin from WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to show you exactly how to remove a group admin from a WhatsApp group. Super simple, so let's just jump right into the video. First thing is make sure you've got a WhatsApp app on your phone, and when you're just gonna go ahead and open it up on your phone. Once that is done, and once you have opened, you want to go ahead and open up the WhatsApp group where you want to remove the admin. So you can just go ahead and tap on it. And in order to remove the admin, what you can do is simply go ahead and tap on that admin. And you should be finding an option called remove. So once you do that, you will be seeing a pop-up with remove or something like that. Look for remove admin and click on it. If you don't see it, the reason may be because you need an existing admin to remove the admin for you. Another reason you might not be able to remove yourself, remove the admin, is that the admin you want to remove is the only admin available at that group. So WhatsApp requires at least one admin at all times. So if you try to remove the last admin, this one right here, right now I only have one admin. If you try to remove that admin, WhatsApp won't let you to do that. So you will need to add a new admin before removing the old one. So you can go ahead and tap this add members and add a new admin at the moment and simply remove the person that you want to remove and choose make group admin, and then you will be able to remove the first admin. And that is it. That is how you can remove someone as an admin successfully as a group admin. They will still be in the group, just not with the admin privileges anymore. So if this video helps you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks, and let me know in the comments if you want me to cover anything else, and catch you in the next one.